Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore node modules safely with npm CI on VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore node modules safely with npm CI on your VPS, follow these steps. First, connect to your VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application for the connection. Input your credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the project directory containing your node.js application. You can use the cd command followed by the path to your project folder. Verify that you are in the correct directory by running ls. Ensure that your project has a packagelock.json file. This file is crucial for using npm CI as it locks your dependencies. If the packagelock.json file is missing, create it by running npm install first. Once you have confirmed the presence of the packagelock.json file, proceed with the next step. Execute the command npm CI in your terminal. This command will install dependencies based on the locked versions specified in the packagelock.json file. npm CI also removes the existing node_modules folder to ensure a clean installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, confirm that the node modules have been restored successfully. You can do this by running ls node_modules. Check your application for any potential issues or errors after the installation. If everything looks good, you're ready to use your node.js application with the restored dependencies. This method is efficient and helps maintain consistency across development and production environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.